Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show how to make a subscribe link for a YouTube channel. Before that, remember if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button and the little bell icon to get notified of whenever I publish a new video. Let's get started. Two methods are using a computer and using a mobile. First we are seeing in computer. Go to youtube.com in a web browser. If you're not already signed into your account, click the sign in button at the top right corner of the page. Click your profile icon. It's at the top right corner of the page. A menu will expand. Click your channel. It's near the top of the menu. This opens your channel's main page. You can usually do this just by clicking the address at the top of your web browser. And copy your URL. Open Notepad and paste your link. The copied URL now appears on the page. Add sub-confirmation equals 1 to the end of the URL. Don't insert a space, just start typing it after the last letter of the URL. Prefix words in description, go and use it. Copy the new URL and paste it into your web browser. Now we are seeing in mobile phone. Open the YouTube app and tap your profile photo. It's at the top right of the screen. Tap your channel. It's near the top of the menu. Tap the three-dot menu. It's at the top right corner of YouTube. Now tap share and click the copy link. Then open a browser and paste the link. Add sub-confirmation equals 1 to the end of the URL. Don't insert a space. That's all. We successfully create a subscribe link. If you want a shorter URL, then go to the tiny.cc website and paste your longest URL. Then click shorten and copy link. Now you can use this link where you need. If you have any idea to share with me, then please comment on it. When you leave, please make sure to like, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.